Hello students, I'm your instructor, Ms. Dowling. As we approach the beginning of a new semester, I would like to welcome you to ESL Advanced Low. I'm excited to meet you and get to know you. This semester, as you work on improving your English skills, I hope you will also grow in confidence as an English speaker. Whether you are very comfortable with technology or just getting started, I am here to guide you in the steps needed as you progress through the class. If you've never taken an online class before, you're probably wondering how much communication you'll have with me, your instructor. This class is set up for frequent communication through online discussions, emails, feedback on your assignments, and Zoom meetings. I want you to participate as much as possible and ask questions freely. Before you actually get started with the course, you need to read the course information. And so I'd like to demonstrate for you how to find that course information. So right now I'm on Canvas, and this is my dashboard. So when you're on your dashboard, you want to click on the class that you're taking, and that will open up to the home page. The home page will go for a list of the modules and the course information. On our class's home page, and to the left, far left, you can see a red banner that gives you some information, particularly this emailing me from. Okay. Let me scroll down a bit, and you can see these red boxes. These red boxes are modules, and it also includes course info and resources. The very first red box is where the course information is, and I would like you to read that before the class actually gets started. All right, so I'm clicking on that red box right now, and it will open up to a notice that you need to read before the class actually begins. And let me scroll down a little bit. Okay. All right, so it begins with a welcome letter from me to you, the course syllabus, how to contact me, etc. All these pages are essential for you to know to start our class. I will be reviewing these during the actual class, but you need to read it first. Okay, so happy reading, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.